Well, one of the things that there's not been a lot about is the JessEm PowerTech SR router. That's what I've got installed in my table. This is an infinity table and an infinity box that I've got for dust collection. I made the pull-out drawer at the bottom, but it's also an infinity stand. This is an amazing router table, but when I installed and added the JessEm to it, it became an unbelievable router table. Now, one of the things that no one talks about, and there's not a lot of videos about it, are the air cooling kit that you need to put on this. When you buy this router, if you do not purchase the air cooling system that's here, these are basically just tubes that are going out and vented to the side, and all it does is bring air into the router. This is a must. It absolutely has to be done. It will overheat, trip itself, turn it off, and ruin your router over time. You've got to install that kit. Easy to do, hole saw on the side, and as you can see, mine's not fancy. I haven't trimmed the screws or anything off, but I need the air to circulate around the router. So in doing that, now that it's there, it comes with a bunch of excess tube. My suggestion, here's a piece I cut off of mine, okay? And my suggestion is bring the router all the way to the top, okay? And as you can see, it comes beautifully up to the top, and this is a master lift too, also by JessEm. JessEm just makes the best router stuff on the planet, okay? When you look at this, it literally comes flush to the top. Perfect, nothing to get inside, nothing to clog it up. No air cooling around the top like a conventional router, because this is a router designed for a table. It's designed for a table. Okay, so you're going to get all that goodness that you need without the hassles of trying to convert a DeWalt or, you know, whatever is out there, a Triton or anything like that. Not that those are not great routers. This router is designed for a table. So there's our cooling system there. Now, once we get those in place, I bring this all the way to the top, adjust the length of tube that I'm going to need, bring it all the way down so I know how much excess I'm going to need, and then I made mine just long enough. I had to literally bring it all the way down to plug these on, and they just push hard on to bring it back up. I wanted no excess, so the router could freely move in the bottom around. Very important. I cannot say enough good things about this JessEm PowerTech. It is an amazing, amazing router. And when you combine it with an infinity table and the infinity cart that it goes with, you're never going to find a better router system, period. Okay, that's what I've got for you guys today. But remember, check the cooling. If you don't get the tube cooling kit, you're making a huge mistake. A $600 router needs love and care and air. Have a good day.